Hello. Good morning, everybody. Lindsay Duff here. I'm going to do something right now. And I'm going to power off my phone. My kids are at school. They won't die. So, I'm going to power off that phone. That is something that I've had to start doing. The phone is a major distraction for me, to the point where I'll be trading and I'll just be reaching over and picking it up and looking. Sometimes Facebook is a distraction for me, so I've closed everything out. I am ready to kick it in. Yesterday, I had some problems with my recording program, so I've uninstalled and reinstalled it. If that doesn't work, I'm buying something new. So let's go ahead and check out the market. Let's look at the daily chart first. So I was talking with someone yesterday about this daily chart, and still just been kind of discussing this, not pulling past this area. So the direction is still to the upside in the bigger picture. Does that mean it's going to continue up forever? No, but it is definitely shown us some signs that it wants to. Let's see here. I actually kind of like what we're seeing here. Oh no, hold on. Wasn't prepared. I was still under my sim account, so I had to fix that, which means I missed this move. And it may still go down. We've got divergences between these pivots. Let's look at the bigger picture real quick before we go any further. I'm going to give this one a shot right in here. At the zero line, weak below still, struggling to pull away from the EMAs, still pulling down here. But it's starting to show some strength to push down now. There we go. Also, if I keep it at a break even, that's a fairly decent spot for it to pull back into and come back down. So, a little bit of divergence. I really wish I had gotten just a tick or so lower so I could be below this little pivot. Go ahead and take an exit. With the potential reversal bar happening here and the potential for a pullback, MACD still below the EMAs here, or the Bollinger Bands here. I want to go ahead and take that. As we can see, look how this little bit has just pushed down right here. So it could definitely still keep going up, but I want to be in the most mindful space I can be right now. Okay, I'm going to make that tea. Well, I can see that it pulled back. Hold on really quick. I saw that it pulled back a little bit further. It's given a better push down here. Still not something I want to get into. And in taking that break, of course, I couldn't resist checking my phone. And my other child called. So, what did we do before we had phones to call our parents, guys? Oh, I know what we did. We dealt with it. But there's this like sense of guilt when you aren't there for them, even though they have communication to you every day. So instead of having that sense of guilt, I'm going to go run some allergy medicine up to the second kiddo, and hope that that is enough. So let's, I'm just going to put it back here. So when I come back, oh, that would be a beautiful push down. These are looking weaker and weaker. I guess I'll just have to see what it does when I come back. My plan is to only trade for an hour. It's already 10 o'clock. I may stop here soon, but for sure, we'll see everything that goes on today. Yesterday, I accidentally left out 2 at the end of my review because my video didn't work yesterday. My face flushed up. I felt like, oh my God, I'm one of those. I left it out, but it was not on purpose, so I have to remember that. But today, it's going to be awesome. Tea is ready, and I'm going to go take care of this, and I'll be back. That took a lot longer than planned. Turns out as my child went to the nurse's office, another child either hurt themselves or hurt someone else. I think they hurt themselves with it. My dog just opened the door, but we weren't allowed in the nurse's office. So we had to wait for a while until a nurse came out so I could give her some Claritin and move on with the day. All right. I think I need to take just a minute just to breathe. That was really strange. And then we'll go. The short has already happened back here. I'm going to give this a shot, y'all. The way these are up high and the closes. Yeah. Let's go a little ahead of myself. I'm going to wait because I do think that we're still going down here. Just right back in the same spot. All right. Really where the wrist belongs is still back above here. All right, I'm going to take an exit here, and I'll tell you why. Reversal bar here, we had a major potential for a reversal bar here. It may keep going down. Major potential for divergence here and here. So I wanted to go ahead and just collect my profits. My mind has already been a little bit off kilter. But guys, this actually is starting to have a little bit more. I like the way this BB is pushing down. This could definitely keep going after, especially having a nice big move to the downside prior. Just this potential for divergence and a little bit of a reversal bar here. That's letting the 233 rule me. But I'm going to stop. We'll go ahead and put these on so you can see there's nothing extra today. Yesterday, guys, I felt a little sheepish afterwards because I'm really pretty on the ball, and I know in this business, I've worked for some of these guys. There are a lot of guys out there who are snake oil and they're hiding things, and I don't want anybody to feel like I'm hiding anything. What I did yesterday was, and let me go ahead and we'll bring everything up and get it all together. What I did yesterday was I didn't click my generate button, and when I don't click the generate button, these won't show up. So I just clicked them and now these showed up. The errors will still be there, but that won't, and my mind was in 50 million spaces yesterday. So today we have 4 trades. We have 10.75 points, 1 loss, and 3 wins. So we're going to go ahead and mark those up. We'll do it on the 1597 because it's going to be hard to fit them all on one chart. So let's go ahead and mark these. The first one. So I've been working to spend about an hour with the market every day. I know the more time that I spend with it, the better my profit potential has. But that also is a double-edged sword because the more time I spend with it, the more tired I get, and so I have to still limit myself. Before, sometimes I was doing 30 minutes or so. I'm doing a minimum of an hour now, and I'm working towards 2 once I finish another project that I'm on. Once I finish that project, I'll be working towards 2 hours a day. I'm feeling pretty good about it. I love the fact that I was able to take a short and turn around and take the long. That is something that I'm working on, most definitely. And then the possibility of pulling back here and taking the short, that was definitely there to continue with this down, but I'm good for today. I'm an hour into trading. It has been, I started at 9 this morning and I'm ending at 11. So it's 2 hours in total, but it's an hour into my trading. Holy moly, it's dropping down huge. And 10.5 points, or what was it? 10 and 10.75. Oh, let me put that on there. So that would make 4 points. All right, Tim, thank you for calling me out on yesterday. I appreciate you guys don't know. I love it when y'all communicate with me, when you tell me that you notice things that I need to A, take care of, B, that you enjoy, C, that, you know, I don't know, just see your way into the conversation, I guess. I don't know. But I knew today was going to be awesome. That's why I picked this mug today. You know, I mean, it's my form of expression. So if anybody ever wants to get me a gift, a coffee cup that says something awesome, usually makes my heart swell every day. Because then I go through all my coffee cups every day and I'm like, ooh, what happy message am I going to have today? And some days I have to do those messages to pick myself up. I'm like, okay, what am I going to do today? I'm feeling down. Let me remember to be positive. Let me remember to be patient. Let me remember that I'm here to create today. Those type of things. Those are the things that when I make my tea in the morning that I think about before I start my day. So, all right, this is long enough. I love you all. I hope that everybody has a fabulous Tuesday. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.